Hey there, I am Clement Townsend, the video journalism advisor for youth. I teach the step-by-step process so you can tell better stories. Thanks for dropping in on my channel. Whether you know it or not, you have the technology at your fingertips to tell amazing stories that inform and inspire others, to highlight and showcase the things that you are interested in, that matter to you and you believe need more exposure. One of the key parts of telling a great story is your video. But do you know the shots to get, the shots to record when you are filming? If you are just starting out, I encourage you to watch my previous video, Simple Videography for Beginners Tips. That video lays the foundation. The link to it should be right on your screen. This current video builds on that. Let's jump into the lesson. Let's do a simple review. I would like you to call out these camera shots. Can you name this move? That was a tilt down. What about this one? That was a tilt up. Let's try another one. Did you say pan right? And finally, can you name this one? I hope you said a zoom. I hope you notice whether inside or outside, even when you add people, the shots remain the same. You can use the distances, angles, and moves. Another technique to remember is taking a shot, then going in closer to create a sequence. For example, I can film the student at the computer on a medium shot, then I can take a tight shot of them typing on the keys. This works over and over again. If you have a video camera, you can also record people or objects and change the focus. You can do the picture in focus, then out of focus, or you could do the picture out of focus, then in focus. Let's see how you can use that with your writing. The impact of remote learning on student academic development is still unclear. Do you see how the video and words match? The picture went out of focus, which is also unclear. Let's add a few more techniques. You can also use objects in the foreground to mix things up. Pay attention to the notebooks in the foreground. They're very close, then you have the computer in the background. This adds variety. Take a look at this shot outside with a person. Here you have bushes in the foreground, then the person walking in the background. It is another way to give you more shots to work with when you edit. Action shots work for most stories. You can record people walking to you or away from you, along with people talking in a group or moving around. Here is a shot of someone walking to me. I let them walk out of the camera on purpose. Whether you have one person or 100 people at an event like a rally, the process remains the same. If you are filming a topic like remote learning, an event, or a profile on someone, the process remains the same. You should record various shots using different distances, angles, and moves. The variety gives you more shots to choose from. In a story, you should never repeat the same shot. I will repeat that again. In a story, you should never repeat the same shot. If that happens, you didn't record enough B-roll, so it's always better to shoot too much. When you don't have enough and the shoot is over, say it's a rally or an event, you can't go back and get more video. In that case, you would have to reuse a shot, and that is not very professional. That's just a small part, just a preview of what you will learn in my new signature online course, Video Journalism Pro. This course is jam-packed with videos and trainings on how to tell better stories and also how to edit them. We take you through the process step by step, from developing your story to writing it, to filming it, to doing the interviews, to editing the story and sharing the story as well. Participants that complete this course improve their writing skills, their speaking skills, their creativity, and so much more. To get the details, just click on the link in the description.